Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now, as you can tell by the title, today's going to be more of a vlog style video. Now, if you guys saw some of my latest vlogs, you would have seen that I'm in the middle of redoing my beauty space, and there was a few more things that I needed to do it, plus a lot of reorganizing and everything like that. But to do so, I needed another Alex drawer unit, which is basically just another one of these small ones right here. And every time I went to Ikea, they were always sold out. And if you saw the vlog I posted just a few days ago, which was just like a shopping haul, I said that Ikea does actually carry them, but they sell out really fast. So it is currently 9 o'clock. Ikea opens at 10, so I'm just getting ready and I'm going to go to Ikea and hopefully find the Alex drawer today. So I'll see you guys there. I'm here with Tyler at Ikea. It's about 5 minutes after opening, so hopefully not all the Alex drawers are gone. Okay. So we're about to find out. Oh, they're fully stocked. Success. They really weren't kidding yesterday when they said they had 60, because there's a lot here. So, and yeah, there's already there's 5 gone. There's 5 gone. The store's been open for like 10 minutes. Oh boy. I'm getting more just in case I couldn't find them again. Guys, I'm so happy that I found that today. Oh my goodness. I'm just going to the car to bring it up to the store, and Tyler's just with the furniture. You're just in the corner. So I'm back home now with the Alex drawer. I'm with Tyler, and now we're just gonna build this thing. We have the Alex drawer right there. Now I'm going to start putting stuff into it. So I think these drawers right here, I want to take some stuff out of it to put more of my skincare stuff in here, since I have my fridge right here. I have most of my skincare in this drawer now, but it's just really jam-packed. So I think I'm going to switch around some stuff to here. And then in this drawer, since it's right under the lipstick drawer I have, I'm going to make like a second lipstick drawer, so it's right under each other and in the same space. Then I think I'm going to move my foundations over to that side, since it's a little more accessible. And then I'm going to put all these lashes I have, along with the ones kind of tucked into here, in this drawer instead. Alright, so I have all my moitié lashes here, which I've just been keeping like on my, on the top of my Alex drawer, just because I had nowhere to put them, but now I have extra drawer space, so I can have them all nicely in here. All my moitié ones on the side and at the front here, and then just the rest of them in here. They fit pretty good, so I'm really happy with that. All right, so now I'm gonna put my foundations in the second drawer of this one right here, just so I have easy access to them. Alright, so I have all my foundations and concealers in here, and I think I actually enjoy this more since this drawer is a little deeper than the tall one, so I can actually see everything a lot better. Alright, next I'm going to transfer all of this stuff over here, so bronzers and blushes, over to the side. All right, so here is the drawer. I just organized it a little bit better, so that's perfect. All right, so next I'm gonna move all my glitters and stuff into this top drawer, and then all of my brow mascara, kind of the stuff that I use on a daily basis, I'm gonna move over here just so it's easier to access. All right, guys, so it's actually been quite a couple hours. It is now like 6 o'clock, I think, and last time I talked to you guys it was around 1. So I've been working on the reorganizing for quite a few hours now, and I changed a lot, so I'm just going to go through everything I did with you guys to show you what all of my makeup area looks like now. All right, so starting over here with the new Alex drawer, I decided to actually move all my hair and skincare products in this drawer unit over here, because at first you guys saw I was moving makeup into this drawer, but then I realized I'd rather have all my makeup on that side of my desk. So first drawer, just my everyday hair products, hair clips, comb clips, everything like that. Next drawer is still a work in progress. This is just my extra skincare drawer, so it's pretty empty right now, but I did just order a bunch of new skincare, so that will go into here. This is my second skincare drawer, so any bigger products go into here. And still kind of a work in progress, but I'm happy that I have 2 drawers for skincare now. Then we have all my hair care products. This used to be in my dresser, but I moved it over here. I thought it was better to be with my other hair products, so all of that's in here. And then in the bottom here, I have a bunch of wigs and hair extensions and stuff, and then some like bath bombs, so more of a miscellaneous drawer. Then moving across, I took out these 2 little containers and put a bunch of lip liners in them. These were stuffed in a drawer, and I realized I was never using them because I only was using the lip liners up on my desk, so I thought I'd move these up here. But other than that, everything kind of stayed the same for my desk area. Then in here, first drawer, I moved the mascara, so I just moved it from that side to this side, but exact same layout. Mascara, eyeliner, contacts, lash glue, everything like that. Then we have foundations and concealers, blushes, bronzers, palettes, like face palettes and stuff, and then my liquids up here. Then I actually moved my highlighters from the big unit to here, and I have my palettes, all my compacts, my liquids and creams. And then the last drawer, my setting sprays and all of my primers. So I'm happy now that I have the majority of my makeup in here. The stuff I really use when I'm getting ready is all in here. And then in this unit, I also have a bunch of makeup, but it's stuff that I don't reach for as often. Like I'll actually get up to pick out the items I want to use that day. So in the first drawer, we have glitters of all sorts and colors, and then single shadows. Then this is the lash drawer. I actually love this drawer with the holographic right here, but a bunch of lashes in here. Powders in here. I kept this the same. I just took this fossil box, and which is enclosed, and I put my powder proofs in here so that they don't just stay randomly thrown into the drawer. I think it's a little more organized this way. Next, we got my smaller palettes. This stayed the exact same. Bigger palettes. This stayed the same as well. I moved my lipsticks up a drawer, so this is where my highlighters used to be, and these are all tube lipsticks, so a lot of Maybelline, more Maybelline. This is all Wet n Wild, Essence, and then some random ones, and these are some like tinted lipsticks. And then in the back, I just have extra boxes if I ever need stuff for storage. Since I can't really access the back anyways, I just kept those boxes there. And then this last drawer, I have all of my liquid lipsticks and lip glosses. Now, I was really contemplating how to do this drawer, and what I ended up doing is taking these boxes I received from like packages and stuff, and I sorted my liquid lipsticks by color. So I have all my nudes in here, and then I have all my colorful liquid lipsticks in here. So reds, purples, pinks, all sorts of colors. And then in the back, I have all of my lip glosses. This way I can see everything I have and just kind of search for the product I'm looking for in here. This drawer is currently empty, which is awesome because now I have a little more storage space. And then this drawer is another miscellaneous one, but what I ended up doing is using this container that had no purpose at all. It just wasted space, and I put all my nail care stuff in here, so I actually can take this out whenever I'm doing my nails and have everything I need. Then I have some mirrors, a fan, and then all my special effects stuff is in the back along with my acrylic nails, which I don't use very often, so they're just sitting back there for when I do want to find them. So that is really the finished beauty space. I'm really happy with it. It's still obviously a work in progress, but I'm happy with where everything is placed and how everything is organized right now. Alright guys, so I think I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like organization or beauty space videos, I know I like watching them, so hopefully you did too. But please subscribe if you haven't already, and also make sure to turn on my post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And yeah guys, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!